Hey, real quick, I thought I would give you a quick little spin around here. This is what it looks like. We've been going down the road for an hour and a half. Little windy mountain road, little bumpy. Everything stays in place in this camp. I mean, there's no open cupboards. There's no open doors. Everything is in place, which is very nice. And Beth just came in and used the bathroom. There's nothing like having your own bathroom when you're traveling down the road. All right, we'll see you in Sisters. Do me a favor. If you like these videos, you know the drill on YouTube. It helps our channel grow if you like and subscribe. Leave a comment is super helpful. Maybe share your tips and tricks on how you do this in your RV. Hopefully you own a sheep camp. That's the right thing to own. But RV owners are welcome here. Hopefully some of this stuff is inspirational for you guys.